This is the concept of a group. The way that you model quickly inside Revit is not that you move quickly about the interface, clicking and picking as you go. It's that you understand how a BIM model is constructed of repeatable building element geometry. Repeatable in that it's been collected inside a group. So each apartment here, we're looking at the level 1 or ground floor. If I pick on that, you can see it says model group type A, and then in the naming convention, I'm saying it's used on level 1 and level 2. Right, so if I show you level 2, there are some additional apartment units that are only on that level. And if I show you level 3, you can see the apartments that were repeated up there. And how easy was it to create it? If I go to my units here, for this building, I have these variations in groups. So just a quick reminder that there, for example, type A apartment is on level 1 and level 2, but on the third level, there's a modification. So I've got a edited group with whatever the modification was, so I can repeat this through my building. So if I look at this in a 3D view, how easy is it for me to get that geometry and repeat it in my building? I can select a group and I can copy it into memory and I can paste it to these different levels in the group. In this case, I'm going to say, just to illustrate it, levels 1 and 3 and the roof. And so what it's doing is copying that one down below. These are on level 2, and then the additional ones up. Now, this is where Revit will give you warning messages. A wall in a room separation line overlap. A wall in a room separation line overlap. Typically, that's not a very significant problem in my modeling. There are rules, and you need to know what these are, but once you know what they are, you can comfortably use groups to produce your model very quickly. And you can do that with not just as I mentioned, not just the building itself, but also with landscape and with interiors. Maybe the group is a interior furniture layout for a specific repeatable room. So that's kind of what I want to show, the concept of a group and how that might be helpful to you in your projects.